Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm with Beauty Forever hair. It says Beauty Forever for your forever beauty. This is the box. So let's see what we got. Open it. I see the wig, and then what else? I got a wig cap and some scarves. That's all that came in today's package from Beauty Forever. So this wig is actually 20 inches long. This is the wig we're working with today. It's a closure wig. This is like a 4x4 lace closure wig. This is the cap construction. Has 3 combs in total and adjustable straps in the back. It has the whole fake scalp vibe going for it, so that's how it looks in the front. Center part, of course, really pretty color. This is the number 8 color. It's really nice, really flowy so far from what I can see, and this is gonna be really easy to install because it's only a lace closure wig. It's not a lace frontal, so it won't take as much time. I do have a video that goes step by step, show you how it's just easy to install a lace front wig, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump into installing this right now.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, 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 oh. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Hey, yeah. Little sweet spice. Yeah. Made a love potion for you. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine.
So as you can see, I laid it. It's looking really good. So what I need to do now, I'm just gonna make it like really straight with my flat iron. I'm gonna go right throughout the wig with my Posy.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you.
This is how it's looking. It's a beautiful ginger color, guys. It's really beautiful. So I got it much straighter than it was before. Now I really feel like I should go ahead and put some layers like in the front, kind of frame my face a little bit. That makes it look way better than before, like way better.
The moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect.
And if you guys realize, I did not do any baby hairs. I did a whole pullback thing with that, you know. Yeah, it looks really good. So that's literally how it looks. It's really flowy. Let me know what you think about this down below in the comments. I think it's the first time I'm trying a color like this, the number 8, ginger like. You know, I'd really love to try like a brighter like ginger color. Maybe I'll try a wig like that soon, but this is really nice. Let me know what you think about it down below. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications in the description box. Beauty Forever here, shout out to you. This is pretty nice. And just go in my description. The direct link will be down there if you're interested in getting this for yourself. And I mean, it wasn't hard to apply, it wasn't hard to pretty much style, even though it's not much of a style, just straightening. It wasn't hard to straighten or anything. It took a really short period of time. That's pretty much it for today's wig video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumb up, and don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Also check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE DIVINITI, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want to be open yourself. Bye.
Under the moonlight, stay close to my side.